Come with me to the Dreams of Triumph pop-up shop in Washington, D.C. at the Line Hotel. So they were having a pop-up shop, and then there was also a sock and toiletry drive for the homeless. So I took some Urban Sky socks to donate for the cause, and I got this really nice drink ticket that actually reminded me of John Wick with like the coins. But the pop-up shop was really nice. I've been familiar with the brand Dreams of Triumph for a while, so I wanted to actually see the products in person, put my hands on it. You know, sometimes touching things and seeing things in person, it gives you a better feel of the brand as a whole. They were selling vinyls, they were selling products. The vibe was so nice just to be around creatives, and it was a really nice space. They had a DJ, everything. I absolutely grabbed this Marvin Gaye oversized cutoff tee, which I definitely want to wear as a dress. It's like the vision that I have for it. But again, it was a DJ, it was all the vibes. I really actually like this event and the pop-up, and the brand is really fire. You should definitely check them out. Shout out to the man who bought me this nice Reposado lemon drop. Y'all know that's my favorite. And this was a good time. I had a good time, and I'm super excited to wear my outfit.